Oh, hello there, everyone, and welcome to What Makes This Plane Great. In today's episode, we are taking a similar approach to my Polycarpov PO2 episode by talking about another outdated biplane that served an important role throughout World War II. That plane is the British single-engine torpedo bomber, the Fairey Swordfish. So, what makes this slow and large biplane great? Well, it was a rugged aircraft that managed to outlive later plane types that were built to replace it. And like the PO2, the fact it was so slow actually made it difficult for enemy aircraft to shoot down, as they'd have to slow right down and even put their wheels down to keep behind the Swordfish long enough to shoot it down. When based at Malta and fighting in the Mediterranean theatre, a great fact about the Swordfishes were that they succeeded in sinking an average of 50,000 tons of enemy shipping a month across a 9-month period, with most of the attacks occurring at night. As well as a torpedo bomber, the Swordfish would serve and perform a range of other roles too, carrying a range of different weapons and other equipment in the process. It took part in aerial and spotter reconnaissance missions, and it was even used as a trainer aircraft until 1946. Of course, it would serve as a torpedo bomber, but it was also widely used in the anti-submarine role too, especially after the disastrous Channel Dash incident. The Swordfish could carry an 18-inch torpedo or a 1,500-pound sea mine under the fuselage. It could also carry up to 1,500 pounds of bombs or depth charges on wing racks, and later Swordfish models were able to carry rockets under each wing. It was in the anti-submarine role that the Swordfish pioneered the use of air-to-surface vessel or ASV radar, which massively helped the aircraft locate surface ships at night and through clouds. The last great thing I want to say about Swordfish was the major successes they were heavily involved in earlier on in the European naval conflict. Swordfish torpedo bombers played a crucial part in the sinking of the mighty German battleship, the Bismarck. Its biggest success would be the night raid on Taranto. Taranto was an important Italian naval base in the Mediterranean, and through complete surprise, torpedo-carrying and bomb-carrying Swordfish managed to attack Taranto harbour, which resulted in the Italian fleet losing half of its capital ships in one night, among other major damage. And it was this successful night raid on Taranto that Japanese Navy officials studied to help plan the raid on Pearl Harbor. Anyway, that's it for this latest episode of What Makes This Plane Great. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell for notifications, leave a nice little comment below, and check out my CD reviews and playlists I created. Cheers.